I don't know where he is.
Oh, there he is.
Oh, he's over there? Okay. So tell me what all we've seen today.
We have seen polar bears. We have seen a bear, a sea lion, and we've seen, I think that's all.
So, no, didn't we see
Spider,
a giant spider? That was fake though, wasn't it?
penguins,
Penguins.
and we saw a ladybug,
What color was that alligator we saw?
a white alligator.
And what do you call them? Do you remember?
Albino alligator.
Albino alligator, that's right.
And we saw, that's all I can remember.
And what else did you do?
We got hats.
Yep, got a hat?
Yep.
Yep.
And we also got to play in the park, and we ate some food for lunch.
Some food. That's right.
And I had chips.
That's right.
Why will this hat not stop spinning?
I don't know. It must be possessed. Say goodnight, Gracie.
Good night, Gracie.